Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti alla classe di italiano. Today we're going to talk about a different aspect of the piazza. We're going to look at the piazza as the center of important cultural manifestations and traditions. Let's visit together one of the most famous piazza in Italy, Siena, Piazza del Campo, known for its extraordinary beauty and for the medieval horse race named Il Palio. The race that takes place every year on July 2nd and August 16th was run for the first time in 1701 in honor of the Madonna dell'Assunta, the patroness of Siena. The city has 17 districts, and only 10 competing against each other to win the famous Palio, which is a hand-painted banner, silk banner, awarded at the end of the race. The festivity starts with an historical parade, a lively display of the 17th district amazing medieval costume dating from 1430 to 1480. You can see here the Wave district. Then there are the flag throwers from all the district. They perform one after one in the square with their flags in what is known il gioco delle bandiere, the game of the flags. They throw them high up in the air and catch them again. It's an amazing display of colors accompanied by beating drums and other instruments. Last to arrive in this amazing piazza is the chariot, drawn by big oxen. In the chariot are seated the administrative authorities. All this is the prelude to the race. When the last horse appears at the starting line and the race is about to start, the crowd becomes delirious. The jockeys ride their horses bareback around the piazza 3 times, about 75 seconds. In racing around the famous Curve of Death, often a jockey may fall off the horse. This is known as cavallo scosso, shaken horse. The horse alone can still win the race, as it happened during this race that I had the privilege of watching and documenting. The horse of the Giraffa district, in this case, won the Palio. Make sure not to miss this amazing medieval horse race next time you go to Italy. Enjoy the Palio. Thank you so much and see you next time.